I messed up. When we were doing insulation, there was a section up here that we left open because we ran out and we needed to order more. I forgot to order more. And then we were doing our inspection, and I looked up and I was like, I forgot. So now we're doing it from an attic ladder. It's really hard and it's really slow. And we got the two guys up there, Imogen's over here cutting up what we need, and we're taking it up. It's only a small little area, so it's not that big of a deal. It's only a couple bags, but I forgot. And that was the big thing. So that's on me. Big mistake, because we could have done it when we had all the space available to us. But this insulation at the time was on like a 6-week back order. And I had the note and I lost the note and I forgot to order it. So mistakes happen, but we caught it. So got some more and we're up there fixing it right now. All right, let's take you up here and show you what's going on. You're gonna get sick for a minute. Sorry. All right, DeWalt makes an awesome light. You need one of those. And then we're up. Oh God, okay, sorry. I didn't know you were there. There's another one over there. Look at that guy. He's hanging out in Dormammu. All right, so this is the section that we forgot. It was basically right here in the middle. So we're up here getting all this added. Just literally just right here in the middle. That's it. So we're getting all that knocked out. I say we, they are getting all this knocked out. What's up, everybody? All right, we are back in Blanchard and we're in clean mode today. We still have a little bit of work to do. Some of this is gonna happen before they move in, some will be after, just kind of how they want to do it. But we are cleaning, so everything's got to get done. We're taking stickers off windows. We're going to be cleaning the windows inside and out. We're pulling up all the floor protection. We're going to clean the floors. We're going to lay new floor protection down. We're going to vacuum. We're going to carpet clean. We're going to do all the dusting. It's a lot. There's a lot to do today. So we're going to get into clean mode, which is very different for us. We're normally slapping houses together, framing and hitting nail guns and pop, 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 pop. But today is wax on, wax off. Let's get into it. You ever seen a fat man stretch? Need stickers. These things have stickers. All right, start grabbing all that crap. Bring it up to the front here. I feel like Hulk after that. I was stout. Yeah. Okay. So dry fit. Load it up to where it does not come out of the ends.
Did you know if you use Lexel in a circle, it acts like a suction cup? Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that.
I bet you're full of crap.
No, I'm not. Ask anybody at Sashco.
Hey Nate at Sashco, is that true? If you put Lexel in a circle, it acts like a suction cup?
I
need your expertise on this one, because this guy, I don't know. I'm watching. I'm watching.
You're watching now, right?
I might be laughing at myself after Nate responds. You never know.
Simon, you send that video to him.
You never know. I mean, we're gonna try it. We'll try it. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah. All right, flush it up.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
All right, sticker.
You hear it? You feel it?
it's pulling it right out of my hands. It's suctioning so hard. That's crazy. Now we just have to hold it for 24 hours. Okay, yeah, exchange that out. And then after you're done cleaning off the windows, then brush off the windowsill. You know, there is an art to cleaning, and it's very valuable art. And what you do is you start from the top. Okay. So this nasty. Get off of the brush. That came from the window. You start from the top. It's like washing your car. Okay, if any kids are listening, pay attention. You start from the top when you wash your parents' car. Okay? And then you brush all that dirt down. So you start from the top and you come down. Because of gravity. Gravity brings it all down, right? So then you do the next row. And then you keep pushing down. Down, 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 down. Get all that dirt and dust down to the bottom. Once you get it all down to the bottom, then you can work on getting it out of the window bay. Like so. So it's just like washing a car. You don't wash it from the top up. There's dust. You don't wash it from the top up. You wash it from the You don't wash it from the bottom up. Listen to what I say. You don't wash it from the bottom up. You wash it from the top down. That is how you clean. It's an art. It's a skill. And you need this.
I think you need to be in one of those window cleaning competitions. Yeah, you're doing a real good job.
Somebody appreciates me around.
Always appreciative.
Kale, you need something to do?
I'm doing something. I'm watching this tournament winner right here. I actually despise sweeping.
Don't forget the closets.
That's why I forgot about this part.
There is dust everywhere, like literally everywhere. So like all this has to get wiped down. You have to wipe everything down. I mean, even the baseboards need it. You gotta get the face, you gotta get the top of all your trim. You know, the dust is gonna settle up here from the construction, the top of your doors, get the side of your doors. Dust clings to everything. And when we have our new homeowners come in, we want them to come into a clean space, not a dirty space that they have to clean.
This is something you should always do when putting a ladder up on freshly painted walls or even nice walls that aren't like scratched or anything. And if you're not taking the walls down, definitely put rags on your ladder feet so you're not scratching that paint up. Stab this up here. I'm using a long broom. It's a far ways away, but I'm using a broom to. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Huh? Ooh, okay. I don't need this.
See, this is the other side of home building. Not only do you build the beautiful home with building science practices and techniques, clean it, make it pretty and livable. I don't like living in filth. Neither should you. Neither should they. So when you're done building your house, clean it for your clients. And when you're wiping down the doors, this is also a good opportunity to get your eyes on the doors for your inspection to make sure paint's good, there's no dripping, there's no cracking, there's no spots that were missed.
I'm happy because I can make their home whenever they get to move in. It looks nice and welcoming.